Hello everybody, I am Mike Young with Young Brothers Fence. Today we just would like to introduce ourselves, say hello, and let you know a little bit about what we might be able to do for you. We have been in the business for over 20 years, so we've got quite a clientele base over time. We've got a construction background as well as the fencing and gates. So we offer not only fencing, but we can do miscellaneous landscaping. We haul in aggregate, different rocks, gravels, mulches even, road base. We've done quite a few driveways for some of the rural homes. And this year we would like to offer everybody an option for more of the do-it-yourselfers. We've been getting asked quite a lot. A lot of people, especially while the weather's nice, they want to do a little bit on their own, if not most of it, so we can do that for you too. Just give us a holler at 303-378-3014 and let us know what you're thinking. We'd be happy to customize your project for you. We can do layout for you. We can drill holes, set poles for you. Material takeoff, then you can take it from there, whatever combination that you desire. We'd be happy to talk about that. Just give us a holler. We can have a little consult. You can also reach us via the website at youngbrothersfence.com, and you can send your information, and photos are a big help. Photos at all your specifics and details there, which will help put this together and speed it up quite a bit. This is still partly our busy season, but you can email me directly at mikeyoungfence@gmail.com. Again, mikeyoungfence@gmail.com. Thank you.